Okay, my daughter's been asking for a puppy, so I decided to get her this one for training. It comes with a bowl and everything you need to take care of your pet at your home salon and some toys. So I went ahead and put some AA batteries. You need 3 of them. So I will show you what she does. You plug in the remote right here. So it's like you have this little leash on her. And then you just push the button. Oh, sorry, this one right here. And so she does fun things like that. So super cute. And you can brush her and take good care of her. Super fun. Really cute.